Managing multiple homes, it shouldn't take 15 different apps. The estate manager's nightmare. Spreadsheets for budgets, text messages for staff, email chains for vendors, calendar apps for schedules, paper lists for tasks, 8 to 15 disconnected tools. Nothing talks to each other. Things fall through the cracks. Every single week. Introducing MiHomes. AI first multi-home estate management. One system. Every property, every task, every vendor. Local first runs on your machine. Your data stays yours. Powered by AI that actually understands estate operations. See every property at a glance. Beach house, mountain lodge, city apartment. Status, occupancy, open issues, assigned staff. One dashboard, complete visibility. Tasks that think for you. Weekly, monthly, quarterly, seasonal, annual. Complete a task, the next occurrence creates itself automatically. Seasonal tasks are climate zone aware. Spring opening in the Northeast triggers March 1st. Same template in the mountains. April 1st. 5 AI expert roles advise you using the SPACE framework. Safety first. Then presence. Is the family arriving soon? Asset protection. Will delay cause damage? Compliance. Any legal deadlines? Economy. What's the financial impact? Every recommendation is ranked and explained. Your staff already lives in WhatsApp. MiHomes listens to group conversations and automatically detects issues. AC is out. Flagged as high priority. No water. Flagged as critical, and it recognizes this happened before. Ice machine installed. Logged as completed. No special commands. No training. AI just understands. Everything on one screen. Budget tracking with live variants. Automated daily digests. Tasks escalate themselves when overdue. Staff get notified. You get a morning summary. Automation runs while you sleep. Built for real estate management. 38 CLI commands. 13 AI expert roles. 172 automated tests. Claude, OpenAI, and Olama support. Unlimited properties. Your homes deserve better. Pip install MiHomes. Initialize with demo data. See your dashboard. Open source. Privacy first. AI powered. Start managing your estate the way it should be managed. MiHomes by Klaus. Built with Python, SQLite, Claude, and Remotion.